What do you have? You got a Thomas ball? Hmm? You just love Thomas the Train? Liam, Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Do you love Mommy? Do you love Emmy? Yeah, you love Emmy. Do you love Daddy? Liam. Say bye-bye.